Hey guys, we're going to talk about the QCY T13 ANC. Let's go. Hey guys, so today I'm going to review the QCY T13 ANC earbuds. These little guys pack a punch when it comes to noise cancellation, and they also come at a really affordable price. Let's talk about the design first. The earbuds themselves are compact and comfortable to wear, and the charging case is sleek and pocket friendly. The touch controls are easy to use and you can customize them to your liking through the QCY application. Now, let's get to the real star of the show, the ANC feature. I'm actually impressed on how well it works. The earbuds manage to cancel out a lot of background noise, making them perfect for noisy environments. Examples like if you're traveling or if you're just reading a book and you just want to listen to music and you don't want to hear any background noise around you. I have to say that it's not 100% perfect. You'll still hear some muffled sounds, but for the price point, it's definitely a winner. In terms of sound quality, the QCY T13 ANC earbuds don't disappoint. The bass is punchy and the mids and highs are clear, making for a well-rounded listening experience. And with Bluetooth 5.3, the connection is very stable and very reliable. Overall, I would highly recommend the QCY T13 ANC earbuds if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with good noise cancellation and sound quality. Stay tuned for the comparison on the QCY T13 and the QCY T13 ANC. Have a great day everyone. Bye!